Now let's set up how epicSnap collects reviews for your store. Like and subscribe so you never miss what's coming next at Epic Shops to help you sell more online. From the epicSnap submenu, click Settings. The Setup tab opens by default. This section controls how review requests are sent and how feedback is collected. First, choose your website platform. In the Website Platform dropdown, select the platform your store is running on. For most stores, BigCommerce will already be selected by default. If you choose Other, a confirmation message will appear because switching platforms may clear any scheduled reviews in the mobile app. If you're sure you want to switch platforms, click Yes, Proceed to confirm. Before moving on, it's best to make sure your email templates, review page messages, and other settings are already set up. This helps ensure everything is ready before review requests start sending. Next, choose your setup mode. This determines how review requests will be sent to your customers. The first option is Turn epicSnap off. This is the default setting when you first set things up. This stops epicSnap from sending any review requests while keeping your existing reviews and pages unchanged. The second option is Autopilot. With Autopilot enabled, epicSnap automatically sends review requests for all orders. This is a great option for busy stores that want to collect reviews without manually sending requests. One thing to keep in mind is that Autopilot emails don't include order images. After selecting Autopilot, click Edit Settings to configure when the first review request email should be sent. A settings window will appear with two options. The first option sends the review request when an order status is updated. Here, select one or more order statuses from your BigCommerce order list. When an order reaches one of the selected statuses, epicSnap uses it as the trigger to send the review request. Next, choose how many days epicSnap should wait before sending the review request after the selected order status is triggered. Since order statuses like shipped or completed don't always mean the order has already been delivered, this delay helps ensure your customer has received their order before getting the request. As a general guide, think about how many days it usually takes for your product to reach your customer, then add a couple of extra days as a buffer. For example, if delivery usually takes 4 days, you might set this to 6 days, adding 2 extra days as a buffer to make sure the order has already been received. If the value is set to 0, the email will be sent immediately when the selected order status is triggered. The second option sends the review request based on the fulfillment date using Epic's eLocal app. This option is available when Epic's eLocal app is enabled. If you see this option disabled, you can turn it on from the General tab under Other Epic Apps Integration. In this setup, the review request is sent based on the customer's fulfillment date, such as delivery, pickup, or shipping. Next, choose how many days epicSnap should wait after the fulfillment date before sending the review request. Since this is based on when the order is received, it's recommended to send the request 1 to 3 days after the fulfillment date. For example, if the order is delivered tomorrow and you set this to 2 days, the customer will receive the review request 2 days after delivery. If the value is set to 0, the email will be sent immediately based on the fulfillment date. When you finish adjusting these settings, click Update to save the changes. Now, going back to the setup mode options, the third option is Manual mode. In Manual mode, you decide when to send review requests for each order. This gives you more control, including the option to send requests with or without images. This is a great option if you want a more personal approach, especially when capturing and sending photos with your review requests. Since requests are sent manually, you'll be using the epicSnap mobile web app to send them. Next, you can enable the Send Email Review Reminder option. When this setting is turned on, epicSnap sends a follow-up email to customers who did not leave a rating after the first review request. To adjust the timing, click Edit Settings. In the Settings window, choose how long epicSnap should wait before sending the reminder. After selecting your preferred timing, click Update to save the setting. Another option allows you to ask customers if they want an image reply from the order recipient. When this setting is turned on, epicSnap sends an email after a customer leaves a review asking if they would like to receive a photo from the order recipient. This can be especially useful for stores that often send orders to someone other than the buyer, such as gift deliveries. Once you finish configuring your setup, click Save to apply your changes. As a quick tip, choosing the right setup mode helps balance automation and control, depending on how your store manages orders and customer communication. That's how you can set up and choose the right review request mode for your store. If you ever need help, just click the Get Help button at the top right. Epic is always here to assist. And if you'd like a demo or need additional support, feel free to email support@epicshops.com. Our team will be happy to help you get the most out of Epic.